guys, I'm watching my team disappoint me. Liverpool, they lost 2-1 against number one from the bottom, and I'm having lunch. I was busy cutting onions, but yeah, as soon as I'm done here, I have a lot to do, but let's see how much we can get done today. Now they are ready to get dry, but I have other clothes. But for now, I need to fix this room in the other room. A mess, just a mess here. So let's see if we can do something. The best I could do, at least it's spacious now. This side usually there's things in this side. So yeah, at least this area is spacious. Yo guys, I've been hooked onto this show. It's a very old show, seems to me. But I'm on episode 3, episode 4. Yeah. I have to do a training session, but that's gonna be late. For now, I want to eat something. The day's been long, but I have to keep on doing something, to keep the channel going. Yes, it's late. Like 1:45. I need to sleep because my parents are sleeping. Don't want to disturb them. So I'm just gonna do a few exercises.